Ladies and gentlemen, ooh, I bumped forward, didn't I? Here we go. Lesson 6. Our learning goal for the lesson is I can draw rows and columns. Right? Which way do rows go? Rows go this way?
Go that way.
What are columns?
Also go up.
Okay, I can draw rows and columns to find the area of a rectangle given an incomplete array. Well, we know what an array is. What's incomplete? Ashley?
An array that is like an array that is not.
An array that is not complete, that is not done, it is not fully drawn. Okay? So, how many rows? We're going to fill in the math problem here. Haley, can you fill in the math problem using the model? Something times something equals 15.
3 times 5 equals.
3 times 5 would be our commutative property, right? Because usually we list the number of rows times the number in the row. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows. So the first math problem should be 5 times 3 equals 15. What is the missing factor? There's 3 in a row. 15. Who can take care of this one for me? Trey.
Can I do it on the board?
When I click it, it just pops in. So
Okay.
just some of the numbers.
3 times 4 equals 12.
4 columns. Missing factor would be 3. Right? 3 times 4 is 12. How many columns are there in this one? Note the question. How many columns? Cole.
There are 6 columns.
There are 6 columns. So what is the
Wait,
missing
what?
factor going to be?
There's 6 rows, not columns.
No, there's 4 rows.
Oh. Right.
There's 6 columns, right?
Yeah.
6.
Oh,
Addison.
4.
The missing factor is going to be 4. Because 4 times 6 equals 24. How many rows are there? Listen to the keyword. How many rows are there? Oh, Taylor. There are 6 rows. How many columns are there? What is the missing factor? The missing factor, Tara? There are 7 columns. What about now? How many rows are there in this one? Hunter.
6.
There are, count it again. They're green. They're hard to read.
Oh, 5.
3, 4, 5. And how many are in each row? What's the missing factor? Sarah?
8.
There are 8 in each row, 8 columns.
I fell over.
Whoa! Good catch. Okay, how many rows of pentagons? Ashley? 2 rows. How many pentagons in each row? Mackenzie? 6 in each row. What are 2 multiplication sentences? 2 of them. What are 2 multiplication sentences that would match this? Addison?
2 times 6 equals 12 and 6 times 2 equals 12.
2 times 6 and 6 times 2 both equal 12. How many rows of cubes? Ezra, how many rows of cubes are there? There are 3 rows. And how many cubes are in each row? 7. Can you give me the 2 multiplication sentences? 7 times 3 and 3 times 7 equals 21. There you go. 3 times 7 equals 21. And 7 times 3 equals 21. So here we've got some quadrilaterals. How many rows do we have? Andy, how many rows of quadrilaterals are there?
Okay. 5.
How many rows? 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Remember, think of rows like the movie theater, and here is the movie screen. So here's a row, 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 here's a row. 6. How many quadrilaterals are in each row? How many seats are in the movie theater row in this example? Cole.
6.
How many seats are in each row?
5.
5, yep. 2 multiplication sentences.
Oh.
Taylor.
6 times 5 and 5
And they equal?
30.
30. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 6 is 30.
That was easy.
How many rows of triangles? Chloe.
8.
There are 8. That last one disappears into the bottom there. How many triangles in each row? Trey?
6.
There's 6 in each row. What are the 2 multiplication sentences?
8.
Andy?
Okay, so 8 times 6 equals 8.
8 times 6 is 48. What's the other one?
Wait, what was the one?
8 times 6 is 48. What's the second one?
6 times
6 times 8 is 48. Very good. Okay, how many rows of cylinders are there? Kind of look like marshmallows.
They are marshmallows.
They're cylinders. Marshmallows are cylindrical.
I want to eat them.
Mackenzie,
8?
there are 4 rows. How many cylinders are in each row? Hunter? 9. And Hunter, can you give me the 2 multiplication sentences?
4 times 9. 37. 4, 6, 6.
Yeah, 4 times 9 is 36. 9 times 4 is 36. Ashley, all right. Puma has 4 bags of square-inch tiles with 6 tiles in each bag. She uses them to measure the area of a rectangle on her homework. After covering the rectangle, Puma has 4 tiles left. So what is the area of the rectangle? How are we going to solve this? What are you going to do first? Who knows what to do first? Trey, what are you going to do first?
Draw the rectangle.
Well, I don't know what the rectangle is, though, do I?
Use your tiles.
First thing I need to figure out is how many tiles does she use?
Oh, so
How
you
does
do
she
4
have?
times 6.
So Addison, what are you going to do first?
6 times 4 equals 24.
6 times 4 is 24, right? We need to find out how many tiles she has altogether.
And then you would subtract 4.
I'm going to take away the 4 that she has left over.
And then you would use 20 to do your rectangle.
So then I can figure out that the area of the rectangle is going to be 20 square inches. And I can use that to draw a rectangle, right? So here's an example. We know that one bag has 6 tiles. We know that there is 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Look at my tape diagram laid out to explain that. Equals n tiles. N is how many she has, right? So we decided, how many does she have? Addison?
20.
How many does she have altogether? First
Oh,
step.
24.
24, right? And here I drew a second tape diagram. 24. A is how many she uses, right? 4 is how many she has left. And I need to take 4 away from here to solve for A, right? A is area of rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is 20 square inches, right? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen,
Yay!
we're ready to move on.